Good morning. I'm Mark Hopkins. I'm President and CEO of the Alliance for Regional Development. Welcome to day 5 of our 8th annual Summit on Regional Competitiveness, our final day. Our focus topic today is infrastructure. We had hoped to bring you news of the passage of the infrastructure bill that's pending in Congress, but as I'm sure you've seen on the news, that has stalled slightly. We hear predictions of it by the end of the month, but I think we'll see about that. So up first today will be a discussion with Michael Fastnacht, who's President and CEO of World Business Chicago. That discussion will be about how infrastructure influences business decisions, particularly dealing with location selections, as well as insight about the competitiveness of our region versus other regions that businesses may consider. Next will be a really interesting panel led by Gordon Gill of Adrian Smith and Gordon Gill Architecture about a major infrastructure program underway in northern Indiana. And this could actually be a project that could change the trajectory of economic development in the region. Before we introduce Michael, I'd like to welcome Paul Jones, the chairman of the board of the Alliance for Regional Development, say a couple words. In addition to being our chairman, he's involved with several other organizations, including his alma mater, Evansville University. You'll see his logo on his shirt today, and was one of the founding instrumental founders of the Water Council, which is one of the region's more preeminent water resource agencies. Paul was most recently chairman, president, and CEO of A.O. Smith, the global water heater and boiler maker. I've had multiples in my homes, a company with tens of thousands of employees, operations in 10 countries. Paul was also CEO of several other companies, including the U.S. Can Company in Lombard, Illinois, and Greenfield Industries. And with that, I'll give you Paul Jones.
Well, it's my honor and pleasure to welcome everybody to day 5 of this year's summit. Been a lot of work to put this together, and I just want to say thanks to Mark and Tweed and the whole team that's helped put this together for everybody this week. Lots of discussions. I'm interested in today's panels relative to manufacturing and site selection, and we'll be participating a little bit in that with Michael in a little bit later. But thanks again for everybody being with us. Looking forward to a good day today. As Mark has already mentioned, we were hoping to have something a little more concrete relative to infrastructure from the federal government. We don't have that yet, but it's still very interesting to hear some of the perspectives of people that are closer to it than a lot of the rest of us. So with that, Mark, I'll turn it back over to you.